Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm finally getting around to showing you what I made in March and April, I believe. That's it. Yeah, I've been trying to get to this video for a while now, so finally here it is. Let's go. One of the first things that I did was this outfit here. This is the skirt, which I'll show you what pattern that is, and the shirt here. I will put in some pictures so that you can see what these things actually look like on, but the pattern for the shirt is one of my favorites. It's a McCall's pattern 2094. I'll try to get a picture of this also and put that in. I've got my sizes traced and all that kind of stuff. This is one of my favorite patterns for just a simple button front shirt. It's got a lot of versions, and the pattern I use for the skirt is this Vogue 8295. I made version of view A here, I believe. I think both of these, I know the shirt pattern's out of print, although I do know you can actually purchase it on eBay, maybe Etsy as well. It is available because I did check. The skirt, you could probably get that on eBay also. But yeah, this was my Minerva make. So that was where this outfit came together. I wanted something that would look like a dress, but would have two pieces, since the print is kind of bold here. So I wanted something that I could break up. So that's why I did a skirt and a top. Worked out really well. That's something to keep in mind if you have something, a print that's kind of bold and but you want to use it, but you don't want necessarily one piece. Break it up into two pieces, wear it as an outfit sometimes together when you want, but then you can switch it up and it just gives you more versatility. So that was the reason that I did that. So that one worked out very well. The next thing is Simplicity pattern 1537. This one is also out of print. The reason I've been using several out of print patterns actually is because I have a lot of patterns, and there's only going to be so many changes that are going to be done. So since most of the patterns that I buy tend to be less trendy and more classically styled, I've got a lot of patterns, and I decided that I would just, for the most part, go shopping in my own pattern stash, especially since I noticed that the pattern companies, they are reissuing a lot of the patterns. In many cases, some that I already have from years ago, they are reissuing them with new numbers and maybe new pictures, but it's the exact same pattern. So why am I going to spend more money to buy the same exact pattern that I already have? I've noticed they've been doing that a lot. So anyway, having said that, this pattern 1537, this was one that I had in my stash and I never made before. And the reason I made it is because I had this gorgeous fabric here, and like I said, I will add some photographs so you can see, but I really love these flowers. I do love my flowers on my prints. This was the hashtag So Maxi for Mother's Day dress that I made here. That was what this was for a challenge that I did. Only thing different that I did was used a shorter zipper, because that's what I had that went with that matched the dress. I had a 16-inch red zipper, so that's what I used, rather than I think you're supposed to use a 22-inch zipper, but there's no problems with getting it on or off. So that was fine. But I did not make any changes to the size or anything like that. But that was for that challenge. And then on Mother's Day here, where I am, it was actually too cool to wear it. So I really haven't had a chance to wear this yet. It's just now starting to get pretty hot. But yeah, I was very happy with this dress, and I love the print. This is the stretch cotton sateen. The other fabric that I used from Minerva for the top and the skirt, that is also a stretch cotton sateen. I will see if it's still available, and I'll put links in the description box for the Minerva fabric. This one is from fabric.com. I don't know if it's available still. I know they had sold out of it, so I don't know if they have restocked. I can check that and see, and if so, I can put a link in the description box for that as well. That is actually all that I have done over the past couple of months. That's kind of sad. Recently, I have done, and I'll be showing you this later, some t-shirt series that I did with one particular pattern, and I'll show you the different ways I've changed that up. And I am working on, I have some of this material left over, so there's actually a pair of shorts that I'm working on right now. Hopefully that'll all work out, and I can show you a completed project for that later, probably, sometime next month. But that is it for now. So I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you like. And questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.